Most creators believe the only way to make more money on YouTube is to get more views. But once a channel starts getting consistent traffic, something important changes. More views are no longer the main lever. The real leverage now becomes increasing the value of the views you already have.
So in this video, you'll see how channels increase revenue without increasing traffic.
I'll show you the simple structure that turns the audience attention you already have into income, without relying on YouTube ad revenue. Because once your channel has consistent views, the opportunity is no longer traffic alone. The opportunity now is what happens after the viewer watches. In earlier videos in this series, you learned how to build the traffic engine. You learned how to choose ideas people already search for. You also learned how to design thumbnails that attract clicks. And you learned how to structure videos so viewers keep watching. Those elements create attention. But attention by itself does not automatically produce income. Income happens when attention connects to a clear next step. Most creators never build that connection. They assume more views will eventually solve the problem, so they keep uploading more videos and chasing more impressions. But many channels earning strong revenue are not doing that. They focus on increasing the value of each viewer. This is called revenue efficiency. Revenue efficiency means earning more from the same 1,000 views. Instead of increasing traffic, you increase what each viewer can do after they have watched your video. This works best when your video naturally leads to a tool, a platform, or a resource that helps to complete the process being explained. Let's look at how this works step by step. First, the video teaches a clear process. For example, researching video ideas, or creating a faceless video, or designing a thumbnail. When viewers watch this type of video, they are not just watching for entertainment. They are trying to learn how to perform the task. That means many viewers want to know what tools make the process easier. This creates a natural connection between the content and the tools used to perform the task. For example, if the video explains how to research video ideas, the research tool becomes relevant. If the video explains how to turn a script into a faceless video, the video creation platform becomes relevant. If the video explains how to design a thumbnail, then the design platform becomes relevant. The tools are not separate from the content. They are part of the workflow being demonstrated. Here's what that actually looks like. A viewer watches a video about finding YouTube ideas. The video shows how to research topics. Below the video, the research tool used in the process is listed in the video description. The viewer clicks the tool and tries the same method. And that simple pathway is where revenue is created. The next step is visibility. Many creators place useful links deep inside the description, or they never mention them at all. But if viewers cannot clearly see the tools used in the workflow, they cannot follow the process themselves. Simple visibility solves this. When the tools used in the workflow are mentioned clearly and placed in the description, viewers understand exactly how to repeat the process. The final piece is consistency. Each video in the channel demonstrates the same workflow structure: idea research, script creation, video production, thumbnail design. When viewers see the same process repeated across multiple videos, they begin to trust the workflow. And once viewers trust the workflow, they are far more likely to use the same tools shown in that workflow. This is how a channel increases revenue without increasing views. Every viewer who wants to follow the process has a clear pathway. The video explains the method. The description provides the tools used to perform the method. And the viewer decides whether to follow that process. Notice what is happening here. The video attracts attention. The content teaches the process, and the tools help execute the process. Each piece supports the next step. None of this requires more traffic. It simply requires a clear connection between what the video teaches and what the viewer needs to continue. Once that connection exists, every video contributes to the same structure. Your videos stop operating individually. Instead, they start working together. Each video attracts attention. Each viewer enters the same workflow. And every part of the channel begins feeding the same system. At that point, the channel is no longer just publishing videos. It's now operating an engine. A structured engine that turns ideas into videos. Videos into attention. And attention into income. But there is one thing many creators never see. They understand the individual steps. But they never see how the entire machine actually fits together. So, in the next video, I'll show you the complete faceless YouTube system, from idea to income. Watch that now.